Hello, my name is Rusty Zipper, and today I'm doing a product review of the Jax Wax Tire Cleaning Kit. So before I begin my review, I'd like to know what you guys use for your tire cleaning supplies. Are you brand loyal to any one particular line of products? Have you ever used Jax Wax products before? What do you like to use? What do you think works well? Leave it in the comments below. I'm always looking to hear what you guys use and what you recommend. I ran into the guy who owns Jax Wax on the Pennsylvania Turnpike. He's actually followed me into the gas station, and I thought he was going to yell at me because I passed him too fast, but he wanted to talk to me about my car. Needless to say, he's a very big fan of the C7R Edition Corvette. We talked briefly. He seemed like a really nice guy, so I've been waiting to try out one of his products. So I chose the wheel cleaning kit. I had not cleaned my rims. It went over 3,300 miles. When I washed the car, I would just rinse them off, but I never put a brush or soap to them. I really wanted to see how well his products worked. So for Christmas, I asked my brother to buy me a cleaning kit to try it out, and he did. And I'm not loyal to any one particular brand of products, and I'll show you the receipt. Just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. So my brother bought this for me as a Christmas gift for under $60. Really was impressed with how it turned out. I think you guys will be too. So here's what's included in the kit: the Jax Wax wheel cleaning, the Jax Wax tire clean, and the tire sealant. You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel foam applicator pad, star, you fade away. Soft bristle brush. This bristle brush is very soft. Very happy. I thought it would be a lot stiffer, more of a hard bristle brush. It's very soft, very smooth. I don't want to get you guys too excited if I go like that too much. Definitely not going to damage any of the paint on the rims. Probably wouldn't even damage the clear coat or anything like that. So I'm very happy just looking at this. We'll give it a try here. That's good stuff right there. Thanks, Jack. So that's just condensation on that tire and rim. Believe it or not, I have not washed these rims yet. I've driven the car over 3,000 miles, and I've washed the car and rinsed the rims off, just spraying a hose on it, but I have yet to wash this. I've been holding off to do a review on the Jax Wax tire cleaning kit. I highly recommend the carbon ceramic brakes. They are a very expensive package, but they save so much time cleaning. Again, that's just condensation from the moisture in the air. It's pouring down rain. You can see the floor is wet. So I'm doing this today because this is the nicest day we're going to have for a long time. It's 50 degrees out. It is pouring down rain. Okay, so the first product I'm going to use is the Ultimate Cleaner. You can use this on a wet or dry rim, which is nice. A lot of times you don't have water available, or it's already wet or it's already dry. I've seen a lot of cleaners, they want you to use it on a dry rim first. So this says to spray a heavy amount on the rim, soak in. It's going to change the brake dust color to purple, and then you start cleaning it with a soft wheel cleaning brush. Then rinse thoroughly. See, it's just starting to turn purple. So I'm going to scrub that up with the soft bristle brush that Jax Wax included in their kit. Okay, so that's what it looks like after running the wire brush through it. I would say the brush got pretty much everywhere I wanted it to go. One thing I couldn't get on the front rim was behind these calipers, but if I wanted to, I would move the car. I really don't care though. This is just to get a demonstration for the product, see how good it is. So this is what they look like before. This is after 3,300 miles. Drove it cross country. I haven't washed them yet. I've washed the car and I've rinsed these off, but I've never used a wash brush or any type of cleaning materials on the rims or tires. Okay, you can see how it's starting to turn purple. That means it's ready to start washing it with a brush. One trick is to always start with the valve stem. That way you know where to start and stop. I'm not getting too crazy. This isn't going to a car show, at least right away. So I just want to get this off. I just want to try out this product for you folks. Give it a quick review before the weather turns cold and I won't be out doing this again. And you notice how my rims have this yellow band on them? That was special only to the C7R, and that was available on the black cars or the yellow ones. Came on both. Some people like them, some don't. I kind of like it. Sets this car apart from the other ones. And this way you know if you see the yellow bands, there's a good chance it's a true C7R. So I just finished washing the rims, rinsed them off. So you always want to clean the tires and rims first before you clean the outside of the car. The reason is when you're cleaning the tires and rims, the brush is going to flick up that black brake dust and other contaminants, and you don't want that on a nice clean paint. So my next step will be to wash the rest of the car, then dry it so I can get it ready for clay bar.
I can hear your whispers in my mind. I've become what you cannot embrace. Our memory will be my lullaby.
You can see I've got 2 coats of the tire shine on there. So I just did a real quick wash of the rims to try out the product. I didn't spend a lot of time and get in all the cracks and crevices. As you can see, it's not perfect, but I was in a hurry. The weather was going to get cold within a matter of hours. I just wanted to get this product tested and get the rims clean as quick as I could because it's going to head to a show hopefully next month, and I knew I wouldn't have time or the weather to cooperate to get these tires and rims cleaned up. So what do you guys think? You think this is a pretty good kit for under $60? Very impressed with Jax Wax products. Very high quality. They all smell really well. The tire sealant I would use as an air freshener. It smells so good. Overall, I highly recommend these products to anybody. You can see these turned out really well. This has 2 coats of the tire shine on it, and the rims I just washed quick. I didn't really spend a lot of time with that soft bristle brush. Now this only has 1 coat of the tire shine, and you could add more as you want. I think they turned out very well. I was just looking to get a quick product review. So what do you guys think of the Jax Wax products? Would it be something you'd ever consider using on your car? Let me know in the comments below if it would be or not, and why. I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch this video. So this is Rusty Zipper saying thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good day, and you'll see me in the next video.